cost of living, and therefore I hereby request the government to look into the matter seriously to enhance their honorarium salary from 1,000 rupees per month to reasonable rate of salary to meet their day-to-day hardship.
पहली म्हणजे ही सॅलरी न्ही तांकां दिल्लो हॉनोररियम ते मिड डे मील जेन्ना स्कुलान हाडून दिता ते तेंच्यांनी सर्व करप आणि ते परत आसा तशें टिफीन तेंचे सगळे ते कोण मिड डे मील सप्लाय करता ताका दिवप त्या खातीर आमदाराक जर दिसलें आसत की ही नोकरी बीन आनी एक वर्क ते मॅक्स टू मॅक्स इज 1 hour वर्क ताच्या खातीर दिल्लो हॉनोररियम आसा.
संकल्प बामुणकर.
Speaker sir, attention of the House is drawn to the plight of the thousands of Goans, most of them from the Mormugao constituency, working under various tutorials and allied agency operating at Mormugao port. Their livelihood are at stake due to the privatization of berth number 10 and 11 by the Mormugao Port Authority and the handing over of their operation and maintenance to Delta Infrastructure Private Limited. This move has resulted in mass unemployment as the stevedores and allied agency has shut down their business due to monopoly by Delta. The new operator has engaged its own manpower and machinery, forcing the existing agency to cease operation and terminate their staff. Step the government intend to take in this regard. Speaker sir, आमची खूपशी थंयसर लोकांचे जॉब्स गेलेले आसा, थंयसर कंपनी शट जाल्लेले आसा की हांगा एक टोटल मोनोपोली जावन पडल्या कारणान. सो हांव मागता गव्हर्नमेंटा कडेन हेचेर लक्ष करचें.
स्पीकर सर, बाब संकल्प बामोणकर हाणें हो विशय म्हज्या मुखार हाडला. आय एम इन टच विथ द पोर्ट मिनिस्ट्री एंड MPA दोगांच्या बरोबर रिजॉल्व करता.
Cruz Silva.
Speaker sir, I rise to bring attention to the silent decline of traditional communal wells and natural water sources in Virni, a loss that affects our both water security and cultural heritage. In villages like Asalna, Chinchini, Virni, Dramapur, Saldava, communal wells and spring once served a lifeline. Today, many lies neglected, choked with debris, and encroach upon or contaminated with lack of upkeep. The monsoon further aggravates the risk as surface contaminant seeps into these unmaintained sources. We are losing not just water access, but centuries of local water wisdom. I urge the government to conduct a detailed survey and mapping of all traditional water sources in Virni constituency, allot funds for cleaning, desilting, repair and protection of this asset, develop a long-term maintenance policy involving local community and NGOs, run awareness campaign to prevent dumping and promote conservation. Preserving this water body is vital for ecology, heritage and dignity of daily life.
Sri Krishna Sarkar.
Speaker sir, I bring to your notice a pressing issue affecting approximately 33 occupants of the municipal shops in Mormugao Municipal Council. These individuals who are not related by blood have been facing undue fear and anxiety due to uncertainty surrounding their occupancy rights. The occupants applied for transfer of occupancy from the original leaseholders to themselves prior to 2002. The council collected transfer fees on this application and the process was undertaken based on municipal council resolutions, directions from the director of municipal administration. Despite fulfilling all requirements and making necessary payments, these occupants have been left disappointed, frustrated due to lack of progress in their cases. The prolonged uncertainty has caused significant anxiety and fear amongst them. I humbly request your intervention in this matter given the council's past action and payments done by the occupants. It is imperative that the solution be found to protect the rights of these individuals. I request Honorable Minister to look into this matter urgently and provide a way forward to resolve this issue, including considering amendment to the Municipal Acts if necessary or may take legal opinion in this matter.
Dr. Telangana Shetty.
I rise to draw the urgent attention of the House to the alleged misappropriation of the rupees 145 crore in the failed aerial bunch cabling project of the State Electricity Department. Concerns have been raised regarding the transparency and accountability of this significant public expenditure. I request the Minister to inform this August House about the current status of the inquiry initiated into this serious allegation. I also seek detail of the finding, if any, that have emerged from the inquiry so far. Further, I urge the concerned minister to clarify when the committee constituted as per the order dated
27/10/2023 to look into this matter last March and to provide the House with detail of such findings. Given the gravity of the matter and the magnitude of public money involved, I request that the department respond at the earliest and place all relevant facts on record in the interest of transparency and public trust.
Yes.
Thank you.
श्री जी तारुणकर.
सेक्रेटरी ट्रान्सफर जाल्ल्या कारणान परत आमकां ही कमिटी करची पडली आनी 3 म्हयन्यांत आमी तिचो हेय करता.
Speaker sir, the attention of the House is drawn on towards coconut jaggery making occupation is on the verge of extinction. With only few producers left in Mandre, Sopde and in entire state, I urge the government to give direct incentives, fast track GI tech or better market value and provide preparation machineries and subsidized rate to sustain the rare Goan tradition occupation. Speaker sir, माडाचे गोड आठूच फॅमिली उरल्यात चोपड्यान आणि माडाचे गोड म्हणटा ते आख्या गोंयभर सप्लाय करतात. तांकां कितें तरी गव्हर्मेंट.
स्पीकर सर, डेफिनेटली आमी कन्सिडर करता.
थँक्यू.
श्री निलेश काब्राल.
Speaker sir, fear and anxiety in the minds of people are growing rapidly due to rising number of incidents involving aggressive dog breeds which have resulted in serious injuries and in same loss of life. The proposed Goa Animal Breeding and Domestication Bill 2025 seeks to address these concerns, but the lack of clarity in the implementation framework has left both the public and the pet owners in the state confused and apprehensions. While the intent to ban certain ferocious breeds and mandate compensation to victims is welcome in principle, there is widespread uncertainty about which breeds will be classified as dangerous, how pet licensing will be regulated, and whether local authorities are adequately equipped to enforce these provisions. Moreover, responsible pet owners fear that the law, if applied arbitrarily, may result in unnecessary harassment. I therefore urge the Honourable Minister of Animal Husbandry to clarify what steps the government intends to take. A. To ensure a fair and evidence-based process of breed categorization. B. Build institutional capacity for enforcement. And C. Safeguard the rights of both citizens and animals under the proposed legislation. I would request Honourable Minister, if he is not replying now, he may say noted, but today is his demands. I will insist that he gives me a reply on this, my 0-hour mention.
Because sir, I rise to bring attention to a pressing matter regarding contract teachers in Goa government schools and government aided schools. These dedicated educators have been serving our education system with passion and commitment, often under precarious conditions. I urge the government to consider making contract teachers in Goa government schools and government aided schools permanent in the financial year 25-26. This move would not only boost teacher morale but also ensure stability and continuity in our education system. Let's together make Goa the first state in India to have 100% permanent teachers employed in our education system.
Noted, Speaker sir. No.
Rajesh.
Speaker.
No.
Speaker sir, fear and anxiety in the mind of people of Akhada in Kumarjua village who are staying on the bank of river Mandavi due to flooding in rainy season and causing significant distress to many families living on bank of river Mandavi. The steps government intend to take in these regards. Speaker sir, एकूच मिडम मेन्शन केला खरें, पण मातशें म्हाका 1 मिनिट दिया फक्त हे दाखोवपाक. स्पीकर सर, आखाडा आनी आमचो सांतिस्ती जुव्या. स्पीकर सर, कितें जाला ह्या दिसांनी मांडवीचें उदक हे वाडलेल्या कारणाक लागून डेली पेपरार येता आनी आमचे जे पळय नुस्तेकार भाव आसा तेंचे अशें जाला की सदांच तेंचें लुकसाण जायत गेलां आनी घरांनी उदक येता, लोक सगळे अशें म्हणजे तांकां रिटर्निंग व्हरना ह्या हांवें म्हाका दिसता WID मिनिस्टराक कालूय हांवें म्हटलां आनी खुबशे
inspection करपाक लायता स्पीकर सर.
सगळे जाणट्यांक घरान उगलून
Yes.
बेडीर व्हरून दवरचें पडटा स्पीकर सर मातशें हेजेर
Yes.
हे असेंब्ली
ताका
चालू
inspection करपाक जाता.
असेंब्ली चालू आसतना
श्री
मातशें
अल्टर्नेटिव्ह
काम
करता.
हातीन घेवचें.
Speaker, sir, attention of the House is drawn on the issues of candidates who had applied for various posts under PWD Labour Supply Society and whose applications are rejected without any valid reason being provided. I urge the Honorable Chief Minister to ensure the valid reason for rejection and clearly communicate the applicants, as many candidates from distant parts of South Goa such as Kankon, Kepe, Sangye and others are compelled to travel all the way to PWD office to inquire about the rejection of the application. Speaker, sir, तुवें ज्या लास्ट असेंब्ली उलयलें सोसायटी अंडर स्टाफ घेत म्हणून बरें देव बरें करूं बट आतां सगल्यांनी एप्लाय केला सगळ्या रिजेक्शन म्हणटा तांकां खबर ना.
वॉक इन इंटरव्यू त्याचो टायम टेबल जो आहा पयलीं एप्लाय केला ज्या पोस्टाक तो पेपराचेर येयला. जेणी ज्या पोस्टाक एप्लाय केला तेणी आपले सगळे डॉक्युमेंट घेवपाचे आणि त्या इंटरव्यूचीच थंय वचपाचे.
बट थोडे जाण कॅन्डिडेट्स आर रिजेक्टेड म्हणिले. देर इज नो रिजन फॉर वॉट इट इज
तरी
रिजेक्टेड.
सुद्धा जाल्यार हांव परत सांगता तेंच्यांनी जेणी ज्या पोस्टाक एप्लाय केला ज्या डेटी प्रमाणे तेणी आपले सगळे डॉक्युमेंट घेवचे.
चीफ मिनिस्टर सांगून ते कळना हांव कितें म्हणटा
म्हाका कळ्ळें
रिजेक्टेड म्हण केला रिजेक्टेड म्हण वॉट इज द वॅलिड रिजन फॉर इट.
चुकून तो सांगता ते हांव चॅक करता सोसायटीक आफोन हाडटा ताका न्ही बट रिजेक्टेड म्हटल्यार सुद्धा ताका इंटरव्यूक धाड त्या डेटी.
त्यांचे सगळ्यांचे नंबर आहे. जस्ट इन्फॉर्म दे व्हॉट इज द
Next, Shri Vijay Sardesai.
Speaker sir, serious concerns regarding the increase of coconut prices since the last 6 months, as the prices have gone from 20 rupees to 60 rupees per coconut. The sudden rise has totally disturbed the budget of the common man. Speaker sir, जेन्ना आमी सरकार केल्लो आनी हांव एग्रीकल्चर मंत्री आशिल्लो तेन्ना अशेंच 40 रुपयान नाल्ल जाल्लो. 40 नाल्ल म्हणटा तो श्रीफळ आमचे धार्मीक महत्व आहा हिंदू लोकांक 25 दिसांनी चवथ येवपाची आहा. स्पीकर सर तेन्नाय अशेंच जाल्लें आनी तेन्ना आमी कितें केल्लें तें सांगता तुका. आमी 3 सायजीच्या प्रमाणे 15, 18 आनी 20 रुपयांक नाल्ल दिल्ले आनी ताका LPGचो तुजें हें आहा पळय बूक आसता तो गॅस बूक घेवन येवप आनी लोकांनी व्हरप हें आमचे एग्रीकल्चर डिपार्टमेंट आनी हॉर्टिकल्चर कॉर्पोरेशना कडच्यान केल्लें ते टायमार. स्पीकर सर आज अशें जाल्लें आहा की नाल्ल म्हारग जावप म्हणल्यार आमची फिश करी रायसाचो मेन इन्ग्रेडियंट तो इट इज अवर स्टेपल फूड. दुसरें श्रीफळ तें. तिसरो म्हजो सिंबॉल तो. आनी सर सर्वसामान्य गोंयकार बारीक गोंयकार नाल्ल तुमी सगळे बरे आहात तुमी ताण आहात तुमकां ते नाल्लाचो प्रेस बी कांय कळना हे खरें तुमकां पयलीं कळूंक जाय आसलें. स्पीकर सर आतां म्हाका तो कळटा कितें म्हजो सिंबॉल हांवें तो काडूंकूच जाय राखूंकूच जाय तो आनी तो पॉप्युलर जावपाक जाय. तो नाल्ल म्हाजो देवय कितें तरी इंटरव्हीन कर.
स्पीकर सर हांव विचार करता.
Yes, Shri Uriah Remo. Uriah Remo, Opposition Leader.
LOP.
Speaker sir, this is to draw the attention of the Honorable Chief Minister who holds the portfolio of skill development and entrepreneurship to the limited availability of locals as trained home nurses, male and female. The demand for home nurses as caretakers for elderly and patients is on the rise in the state. The cost of 24-hour nursing care and home ranges from rupees 1,800 to 2,500 in Goa. The Director of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship may take steps to initiate and popularize a short duration course of 6 to 8 months in home care nursing. Any person in the age of 18 to 45 with a minimum schooling up to standard 8 may be eligible to join. The Directorate could do this in conjunction with the nursing institutes, JMC, District Hospital and Director of Health Services.
Yes.
स्पीकर सर, आमच्या ह्युमन रिसोर्स डेव्हलपमेंट फाउंडेशन ही सोसायटी आसा डायरेक्टर ऑफ स्किल डेव्हलपमेंटाच्या अंतर्गत. हाजे कडेन हो कोर्स आसा होम नर्सिंगाचो जेका एक्चुअली 6 म्हयन्याची ट्रेनिंग जो आफ्टर 10th पास हे आमी दिता. आमी प्रायवेट इन्स्टिट्यूट दोज हू आर रेडी टू रन दीस कोर्स तांकां आमी अलाव करता.
8th standard पासून एज ग्रुप 18 to 45 केल्या बरें.
स्पीकर सर, आमी एज ग्रुप 18 to 45 आहा ताका बट बेजीक ताका कितें तरी कितें जाला स्पीकर सर थोड्यो होम नर्सिंगांतली 6 म्हयन्यांतली नर्सिंग सर्टिफिकेट घेता आनी ती मागीर नर्स जावपाक गव्हर्मेंटाक येता आपूण नर्सिंग केला म्हणटा आनी आपल्याक आतां गव्हर्मेंटान जॉब दी म्हणटा
ना,
आतां
ते चलना.
हांव तेच सांगता बट ताका लागून म्हणजे आमी ताका गव्हर्मेंटान नोकरी ताका मेळूच शकना पण हे बरेचशे फावटी मागीर आमदारांचो एकदां हेडेक जाता ते घरा कडेन
वाडोवता
म्हणटा
1,800 अडेज बिकमिंग
ठीक आहे सर माझे कांयच म्हणणं ना हितून अजूनही कोण प्रायव्हेट इन्स्टिट्यूट हॉस्पिटल सुद्दां जरी आसत न्ही यांच्यांनी होम नर्सिंग कोर्स सुरू करूं येता कारण हो मॅनपावर रेडी जावपाक जाय कारण गोंयांत ओल्ड एज जे लोक आसा तांकां कॅर घेवपा खातीर तांकां होम नर्सिंग जाय तुज्या थंयसर सुरू करपाक जाय जाल्यार तुवें केलें आतां स्पिकर सर हांव म्हणजे आमच्या इन्स्टिट्युशनाच्या मार्फत होम नर्सिंग चलयता गेली 10 वर्सां आनी जी कोण पास आउट जाता पळय न्ही तांकां अशा पद्दतीच्यो नोकरीच मेळटा होम नर्सिंग हो वेगळो
8th स्टँडर्ड माझे चेंज 10th स्टँडर्ड
8th स्टँडर्ड हांव विचार करता मिनिमम 10वी तरी जाय ताका
looking for scrub nurses. So आमी होम नर्स म्हणून आता 2 वर्स पयलीं डिमांड आशिल्लो स्क्रब नर्स. I think we need to understand what the market is requiring. There is a big shortage of scrub.
Yes. Yes.
Get it organized.
Alex Lawrence.
विलेज पंचायत आता रेग्युलराइज ठीक आहे सर रेग्युलरायझेशन तुम्ही कालपासून एक बिल पास केला रेग्युलरायझेशन करपाक
मेन्शन करपाक लाय तो एक्सप्लेन
मेन्शन करता रेग्युलरायझेशन हाऊस पण रेग्युलरायझेशन जाता ते पंचायत पोतून फीज घेता आफ्टर पेइंग फीज इन द कलेक्टरेट. So directions may be given to the panchayat not to charge more fees because lot of regularizations are pending. जे government collector regularization केला ते पंचायत fees घेता पोतून. Either give directions.
House tax.
Yes, okay. Yeah.
House tax तो.
House tax. No. House tax पासून नाही. House tax पासून very regularization घेताय.
स्पीकर सर ताका परत एकदा सांगता आम्ही रेग्युलरायझेशनाच्या अंडर जे पैसे कलेक्ट करता पळय न्ही ते रेग्युलरायझेशनचे पैसे म्हणून घेयना ते आपला हाऊस टॅक्स घेतात गार्बेज टॅक्स घेतात रेग्युलरायझेशनच्या अंडर जे डेप्युटी कलेक्टरान पैसे जमा करता ते करेक्ट अमाउंट किती तो तांकां वता.
ठीक आहे सर चीफ मिनिस्टरान उलयलें चीफ मिनिस्टरान उलयलें ते डायरेक्शन दिवपाक
डायरेक्शन दिवपाक.
Yes. Papers will lead माननीय मुख्यमंत्री.
Speaker sir, I lay on the table of the House the paper shown against my name in today's list of business.
Yes. Calling attention on Kedar Naik.
म्हणून त्या
ठीक आहे सर. I wish to call the attention of the House towards the severe erosion of sand at Harmal Beach in Pernem Taluka, as reported in Lokmat on July 31st, 2025. Speaker sir, due to heavy monsoon, large amount of sand have been washed away, raising concern among local fishermen and tourists. The erosion has exposed the coastline to environmental risk. Locals have demanded immediate steps such as planting protective vegetation and stopping further degradation. I request the Honorable Minister to inform the House whether the government is aware of the issue and what urgent long-term measures are being taken to prevent further erosion and protect the coastline. Yes. Speaker sir. Speaker sir. Similarly.
Preparation of the shoreline changes map by the National Center for the Sustainable Coastal Management (NCSCM), Chennai. The Department of the Environment and Climate Change has carried out study through the National Center for the Sustainable Coastal Management, and they are in the process of preparing a report on the shoreline changes along with the coast of Goa. Workshop on the beach nourishment with the Deltras, Netherlands, and the National Institutes. As per the order by the passed by NGT with respect to measure for protection of coastline stretches of Goa, there is need to replace the hard structure like the seawall, gravens, etc., and with the softer options such as the beach nourishment, sand bypassing, etc. Hence, the department has engaged Deltras, an institute from the Netherlands, to specialize in the hydraulic engineering research and consultancy. The Coastline and Environment Management Society, along with the Department of the Environment and Climate Change, accepted the proposal from the Institute of the named Deltras from the Netherlands for carrying out the studies in order to assess the feasibility of the implementation of the beach nourishment and sand motor technology for addressing the issue for the coastal erosions in Goa. The Department of the Environment and Climate Change had a workshop for the erosion studies in order to develop the strategy by using the methods such as sand motor for the restoration of the eroded stretches of the beaches in the state of Goa on the 18th and 19th November 2024. The workshop was attended by the National Institute as NCSCM, NIOT, SAC, ISRO, NIO Goa, WRD Goa, NCCR, GSBB, and other stakeholders such as the Department of the Fisheries Goa, the Coastal Zone Management Authorities from different states. A committee consists of nodal officers from the National Institute consisting for the examining all the reports of accretions and erosions in the state of Goa prepared by the various National Institute. Carry out groundwater truthing, prepare consensus report for the same and to identify the coastal stretch for implementing the pilot project for sand motor technology in the state of Goa. Currently, 2 meetings on 24/4/25 and 8/7/25 have been held to finalize the stretch to implement the pilot project. Project under Water Resource Department. The Water Resource Department has carried out the study titled Integrated River Basin and Shoreline Management Plan for Goa under National Hydrology Project through National Institute of Ocean Technology from July 2020 to February 2025. Preparation of the ESA Management Plan. The Department